Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Google account is signed in and two-step verification is handled, because secure access prevents export errors. Next, pick whether you need the entire photos library or only selected albums. This shapes file size and time. Once done, open Google Photos or Google Takeout and begin the export flow. Select target items and preferred file type. Make sure to choose whether to download directly to device or export to cloud storage. This affects convenience and required space. Now you configure the details that determine how usable your backup will be. You should select original quality to preserve photos and include metadata so timestamps and locations remain intact. Then pick an archive size. Smaller chunks like 2 GB reduce failed downloads but increase number of files. After that, choose the delivery method: direct download link, add to drive, or send to Dropbox. Each has different speed and storage implications. Finally, confirm and start the export. Monitor progress for completion message. Once exports finish, download every archive and verify integrity by checking file counts or checksums so you know nothing is missing. This step prevents future surprises. Extract archives into organized folders by year or event and make a second copy on an external drive or alternate cloud service for redundancy. If something goes wrong, if downloads fail or files are corrupt, retry the export, ensure you have enough storage, and reduce archive size. These fixes usually resolve timeouts and corruption issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.